morning, guys. So this is kind of a fail just because I made it way too wide, and I did that just for safety, but basically the entire inside did not settle at all, and it's all wet, so it's pointless. Everything we didn't need was hard, but everything we need is completely soft. So I'm gonna leave this till tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and make use of today and just work on the second flare and hopefully get that done today, possibly. So I'm just gonna spray more expanding foam all through the inside and just put cardboard there, leave it, and then probably tomorrow. And then I'll do the other side later today, just so it can also start hardening and stuff like that. But that sucks, but whatever. You get the general shape. That's exactly how it's gonna look. So I got that situation handled. I taped on the thing so it can't expand. It should be tight. Just need to give it a day because I don't even want to deal with all that wet shit. It's so horrible. It's like when you get super glue on your hands and you can't get it off and you have to literally like bite your skin off to get it off. It's absolutely horrible. So that's what I'm leaving it at. What I think I might do is on the other side. I can't do it on this side because the exhaust is there and I still am not even done with the side exit exhaust. Is I might just put on the side skirt just to see how it looks. Because I made the other flare extra long on the bottom so I don't have to add material like I will to the other side for the side skirt. So I do have the clips. I have 8 of them in total. I might just put on 4 and clip on the side skirt, see how it looks, because I haven't seen this thing with side skirts in forever. Plus these are the flat side skirts just like the M3 GTR, so it's perfect ones. I think those look pretty good. It makes it so that you can actually see how low the car is and stuff. I know it's probably really hard to see it because it's black, because that is the OEM color, carbon black of the car. But yeah, looks awesome. Obviously I'm gonna have to trim the front and the back, but the flare is basically gonna go, and you can see there's kind of a contour, it kind of goes in and then out. That's what the flare is gonna have to hug around really, really tightly. They're floppy right now because the bottoms have to be clipped in too, but I just did this just to see. And then obviously on the other side, I have to still tuck the exhaust up as high as possible, and around this area it's going to be cut open for the exhausts to come through. So I got the flare how I want it positioned with the overall curve 29.5 inches from here to there, which is exactly like that flare. And basically now I'm gonna be doing an edge. This time I'm doing it more than 1.5 inches because that's how much the edge has to be. I already trimmed it, cut it, fit it to the car, but it's good. I'll have to do more trimming, but still. So guys, I know this looks very weird, but basically, as you guys see, edge is done, measured 1.5 inches, cut it. Still not perfect, but I had an issue here when putting it on the car. The bottom section that's supposed to be straight going into the side skirt would curve too much. And basically what I did was kind of cut slashes, cut this part of the edge off. We'll remake the edge going down here, and literally just cut the edges, flatten it out by putting the resin in this, holding it on, and then just put 3 sheets of fiberglass, and now it's straight. So this is how the flare is looking now. I still have spots I need to fill up with Bondo, obviously on both sides, but I think that this is pretty swell progress for basically a day of work. Kind of made almost the identical flare. That's the other flare. You can see how skinny that edge is compared to the edge on this, but that's how big it's actually supposed to be to look right. That part kind of has to flex outwards when it gets mounted, but as you can see, that piece goes all the way to the bottom of the side skirt. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm gonna finish up the flare tomorrow and everything, and hopefully the foam actually dries tomorrow or for tomorrow, so we can actually start making the rest of the flare. I absolutely hate working with that foam. I'd rather build multiple fiberglass layers, like millions of them, than work with foam. Because I just don't understand that shit. There's some expensive expandable foam called Loctite expanding foam, and it's apparently 4 times more dense, meaning it's way less air bubbly, but it's like $8 a can, and that shit's like $2.50 a can. So I don't know, because it took like 4 cans to fill that little flare up on the edge of the rear bumper, so that's like almost $25 worth of foam just to do one side of the bumper. But whatever, see you guys tomorrow.